Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to set message, sound and vibrate on Zoho Click. Guys, you can do it easily by following these steps. First, launch Zoho Click. Then you can see there are many options. Click on 3 vertical lines at top left corner. Then click on Settings option. You can see there are many options. Click on Notifications. Then scroll down. You can see their sound and vibrate option. Click on it. Then off this option. Finally guys, in this way you can easily set sound of message notification on Zoho Click.